Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Safari highlights to focus on important information in iOS 18. First, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and reach the General. Next, tap on Software Updates to ensure your device is running the latest version of iOS 18. If an update is available, you can update your software. Once your software is up to date, go back to the Settings menu and select Apps. Scroll down to the list and tap on Safari. In the Safari settings, locate the option labeled Highlights. Turn the toggle on to enable this feature. This will help you easily spot important information while browsing. Now go back from the Settings app and reach the Safari app. Once Safari is open, use the search bar to find an article or any information you're interested in. For example, you might search for articles or computer science. After the search results appear, tap on an article to read it. If you find something particularly interesting, you can save or bookmark it for later by tapping the share icon at the bottom of the screen. By using Safari highlights, you can enhance your reading experience, making it simpler to identify and retain important information while browsing. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.